It's all about Bafana Bafana as they prepare to take on Ipene Mamara. Mele sikhulume ngezinto ezibalekile. Hugo Broos's inconsistency. Is this squad gonna change just before a World Cup? Sipho Mbule, is there still hope for him to join Bafana Bafana and go to the World Cup? Ubani also replace Hugo Broos. Have European coaches been successful under Bafana Bafana? Because the last time Bafana Bafana won silverware, it was a South African coach. Should we maybe consider resorting back to a South African coach, or sifuna umuntu wangaphandle futhi ozomosha ibhola lethathela abafana bethu ukuthi akwazi ukuligibela akwazi ukwenza in. That said, welcome to Nkuli versus Mdu. Ngiphethe uNkuli uyakhohlela namhlanje akekho right kunento emshisayo la esifubeni ngihamba.
Hugo Broos nesquad seBafana Bafana isquad isobona njengoba bazodlala nePanama ukuthi bazodlala kanjani, but ngicabanga ukuthi bane chance abanye abangabaselectanga bane chance ukuthi baba select ngoba iBafana Bafana izodlala ifriendly and Hugo Broos uthe ngoMay babheka i-team abangadlala nayo around May, so last friendly just before the World Cup. So bona for me maningi ama-player ne chance, but Hugo Broos already seka decided ukuthi ufuna bani, ufuna Evidence Makgopa uzoshayela i-hat-trick ku World Cup against iMexico, so player lakhe ke lelo
unamahlaya namahlaya le ndoda Evidence Makgopa uzokora i-hat-trick Bafana Bafana go World Cup. Mina the question I ask, is he even gonna play go World Cup? Uzomfaka nokumfaka now Hugo Broos, because there's a very angithi Bafana we all know ukuthi ngeke baze badlule past ama group stage. Leyo it's a fact, it's not an opinion. Uyangithuka angithuki uyavuma uvume okwakho namajazi wakho. With Hugo Broos iBafana Bafana ngeke izidlule kuma group stages. There's a very high chance yokuthi Bafana Bafana ngeke ikore nogoleli 1 lapha because uLyle Foster uyoqala waqeda oyi3 lama game lawa ya.
I think bazomdlalisa ngoba vele udlala eNgilandi kodwa umjida yakalazi. Phela manje strike kumele ushaya amagoli akalazi, but Evidence Makgopa ngicabanga ukuthi uzoyithola opportunity ukuthi adlale. Ungwanase simani unezinto zakhe uzoshaya iskomota dance lapha ku FIFA World Cup United States of America. Akalazi naye kodwa angashayisana nalo. Kodwa nama I don't think iBafana Bafana izo advance to the next stage of FIFA World Cup. I mean team yethu weak man, ayi weak. Moyibheka babuyise ubani uhlongwane wagcina nini kuba kuBafana Bafana babuyise baningi like kunama surprises mawubheka babuyisa uThembazwane iconic Thembazwane sonke siyamthanda. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi umuntu nambe ngarisk ukuthi ngimselect kuBafana Bafana, but mawubheka abanye abantu abaselected kuBafana Bafana badeserve kuba lapho. Hugo Broos sithemba ukuthi uzozama abanye abantu kulama game lawo wangoMay, asazi noma uzama ama finder but uqinisile mawuthi ngasupport statement sakho ukuthi kumele kuzama ama local coaches. I mean ama local coaches bheka ukuthi ake yasenzelana asiqualifyisa for iWorld Cup, yekelana lezi zinto zama Europeans yokuthembele ebalungwini. Umona wabantu abamnyama barun izinto lapha ukuthi hayi uPito ngeke leader ubani ngeke leader, bakhona abo coach aba right eSouth Africa but isifuna ukuba control ukubacindezela. Ikhehla uHugo Broos icolonizer abalicindezeli usho ubheda njalo ku conference yakhe emekhuluma nemedia, but ayikho into abantu abayishoyo. Why? Ngoba babona umlungu
bangithukile last abo Tsibingi nama supported Chiefs nyazi yilaba be Chiefs
Cause for life
yibo laba bathanda ukuthuka yibo laba basitshela bona bayalazi ibhola and yibo futhi abasile bafuna ukukhuluma inyongo because angithi akuna neplay elwane la ku Chiefs elapha esquadini, but bebangithuka last ngishilo mina ngathi ayikho into Hugo Broos especially ayenzile. iBafana Bafana ke ayiwini bronze, iBafana Bafana ke ayiqualify le AFCON, iBafana Bafana ke ayiqualify le World Cup. The only thing he did different is that usqualify for a World Cup ukuthi sigcina uqualify 2002, but ayikho into ehlukile akhe ayenza abanye abo coach abangayenzanga. The only thing that Hugo Broos did different ukuthatha i-team kaRulane Mokwena ayifaka kuBafana Bafana imwinele ibronze, ukuthatha i-team kacoach Abdeslam Wadu ayifaka kuBafana Bafana iphelele kula 16 ye-AFCON. ayikho into akayenzayo, akuna player special esingaze sisho sithi no uHugo Broos uthathe uMfukeng uOrlando Pirates udlala as i-wing na wamthatha wamshayisa number 6 wadlala kahle. Khona manje beka ku press conference athi no uMfukeng is better as a number 10, uMfukeng has more potential as a number 10 than a wing. Uyibona kwaOrlando Pirates lento le, and then ngizwa abantu bathi bona no but the first time Mfukeng played as a number 10 was because of Hugo Broos. Amanga lawo uHugo Broos umuphe ijersey number 10, not the position 10.
I think abantu mele babuyele emuva ababheka ama game ka Rile Mofokeng ukuthi bekadlala kuphi lama game lawo ama qualifiers uRile Mofokeng bekangadlali kuma winga ngoba bebaqalisa uNkotha baqalise noOswena Police manje indaba leka number 10 ibuya ngoba bekudlala uSiphombuli lapha na ezu number 10 so vele uthatha into eOrlando Pirates wathatha isystem yeSundowns wa implementa kubafana uthatha ePirates ePirates inkinga ke manje ku-international ngeke bawine bagudu kuba good but I mean ukuba ready kwama player kumele akwazi ukuthi uba introducer nini there's no way evidence makhopa amagame amaningi wama qualifiers bekangekho nokuba khona but ubuya khona ku AFCON so angiyazi
is the best striker ku PSL
usho kanje oh madoda
Evidence Makgopa is the best striker
usho kanjani uthi akaza bona umuntu akekho umuntu better than Evidence Makgopa
yes ake ubani odlala phambili better than Evidence Makgopa khona manje
akadlali na ku Pirates
yeah
so somthatha kanjani akadlali
there's always an impact makangena second half Orlando Pirates ungenile against the Chiefs wa Koriko
so shaja abantu
and siyambona ukuthi mekangena uEvidence Makgopa he's the kind of player that makes it easy for abo Mofokeng ukuthi bakhathe in bashute
so,
he makes it easy for abo Ozona Police to cut in ukuthi bashute khumbula istriking yamanje ayisafani nale yakudala ukuthi striker mele sime sebox in 24/7 yabona the only time engivumelana no Hugo Bruce kungayo Evidence Makgopa akaye lapho Evidence Makgopa but mele aye no Ikram Reyners not Ulail Foster because Ikram Reyners will score you the goals and then second half Evidence Makgopa will make it easy for a number 10 yethu ukuthi idlale because angithi makadlala no Ikram Reyners number 10 uya supply but second half because manje number 10 naye mele simbone because we know what is
capable of
Evidence Makgopa uzovulela
ukuthi position ka Evidence Makgopa ke njengoba kuthiwa uthi uzobavulela abantu yini umsebenzi wakhe for wena Evidence Makgopa
false 9 he's a false number 9 wenza ama defender acabanga ukuthi he's playing deep the moment yena angena deep uya drifter to the side ama defender amlandela
so wenza
Mofokeng bayabhoboza bakora ama goal so you can't take away the importance aka Evidence Makgopa for bafana na ku Orlando Pirates he might not be the best striker sizokorela ama goal but he is an important striker he's an impactful striker for me na Evidence Makgopa is even better than Ulail Foster he's better than Uyanela Mbuthuma he's better than ama striker he's better than uKhanyisa Mayo we Kaizer Chiefs better than Flavio da Silva
yazi into engichazayo la uthi according to wena yabo Orlando Pirates abacabanga kanjalo ngoba akadlali and ngiyathanda ukuthi iopinion yakho umbono wakho ucoach wakhe akabelieve kanjalo ngoba ucoach wakhe if beka believe le nto le ngabo Evidence Makgopa simbona ku first starting lineup njalo so awukho sure ukuthi uzodlala mina as impact player ngiyakuvuma lokho yabo but into enginokuyibheka ukuthi how do you sell uEvidence Makgopa to the European njengoba iagent yakhe inokufuna ukuscam abantu athi bayamfuna kanti abamfuni how do you sell this guy umposition uthi uzothini ngama stats wakhe uzothi defensive strike I am selling a defensive strike
ungazoba Hugo Bruce na udelela ama agent wethu uHugo Bruce wadelela agent kaMbokazi wathi ucanga ukuthi uyalazi ibhola kanti akalazi so busy agent aka Evidence Makgopa scam manje yini la benenza ukuthi Hugo Bruce akhulume lezi zinto azikhulumayo
no
Hugo Bruce asuke le Belgium azodelela ama player wethu azodelela ibhola lethu
ama player wethu
and lezi zinto lezi iscam ngukutshela ukuthi iscam ubani iscam iagent kaMdusha Balala lo wamtholele icontract ku Kaizer Chiefs iscam ke lesiya that's a scam mawufuna ukukhuluma ngescam se agent you can't say iscam saka agent ka Evidence Makgopa iscam because bebamfuna overseas unfortunately
ayikithi meke amfuna Evidence Makgopa bebafuna
uEvidence Makgopa overseas between uMdusha Balala no Evidence Makgopa who stands a better chance of going overseas
uMdusha Balala ithi ngicela ngitshela no ngine backup yami no ngine backup yami uMdusha Balala kube ne-interest yakhe elwe eNetherlands abantu into abangayazi bayibhekeke bayilandelele bayibheke uMdusha Balala kulabambuza khona ungakhiphi imali zakhe lezazisho beyolabambuza khona eNetherlands ukuthi ungafuna malini mawuza ngapha uMdusha Balala lezi akusi complete player but bayabona ukuthi bangakwazi ukumdevelopa maybe ku Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi bam elevate to stadium but ayikho into ayideliver for i-team Evidence Makgopa
need to be developed that's the thing Evidence Makgopa akasadingi development Evidence uyamazi Olivier Giroud lo dlala over
ungacompare labo bayithi
Evidence Makgopa copy and paste yena no Evidence Makgopa copy and paste
ikhumbuze ngo Giroud never
ifanayo bakora ngechance boba two but you can't take away impact yabo egrounding
okay ngicela ukuchazela
ngicela ubala ama game iOrlando Pirates waluzilo Evidence Makgopa khona ama game bala ama game bafana iwaluzilo Evidence Makgopa aqalile
Okay,
when
khohla
he starts
ukuqala.
Bafana wins. When he comes on from the bench, uyakora for Bafana, even though Bafana is behind. He's done things that Lyle Foster has never done for Bafana.
So
Done
Foster ngeke ngikwazi ukumdefenda, ngeke ngimdefend
Reyners has never done for Bafana.
Akadlali uReyners akadlali uzoperforma kanjani angadlali. Mntu ngifuna singayibuyisele emuva, ngifuna ukuhlala kulento le. uJiroud bafethu yekelani lo dodweni yokuthatha uJiroud noEverence Makgopa lithi badlala into eyi-1. uJiroud beka i-top goal scorer eFrance. uJiroud introduction ubheka ama-goal bekawashaya isizini eFrance before nimbona ku-Arsenal lo muntu lo beka i-superstar in terms of ukushaya ama-goal. I-work rate yakhe ize after
kuba Roka FC.
uEverence Makgopa akaze ashaya 10 goals akaze 10 goals a season.
Na i-work rate yakhe ize after, so bayafana.
No akaze ashaya 10 goals akaze ashaya 10 goals. Sikhuluma umuntu ohlula ama-midfielders ngama-goal. Ayikho into esalayo istrike esinganama-goal mntu.
Utheni uOliver Giroud uthe bekashaya ama-France, bekashaya ama-goal for iFrance, wahamba waya phesheya elokhunjaneni eEngland wayodlalela iArsenal, bese lapho wasebenza ku-work rate yakhe. Evidence Makgopa bekakora ama-goal for
ayi-6 a season, ayi-6 goals, 6 goals a season.
South Africa ine-strike escorayo, that's a fact.
No, uReyners uyakora.
How many goals has he scored in how many games?
10. This season una 10 goals. But akadlali nokudlala.
Masiba compare ne-strikers aphesheya sezina lo mfana uHaaland usenamagoli ayingakhi in how many games?
I mean, obviously.
So that's not even a debate, bro.
Okay,
sonke siyazi ukuthi i-strikers ase-South Africa zikwazi ukukora because thina
so i-strike escorayo esingaselectwa. Baselecta i-strike esingakori.
How many goals has that striker scored for Bafana?
Akadlala bamthanda, akadlala. Ukwambona uReyners aqala igame for Bafana.
Ngiyangambona futhi angena khona.
No, kwambona uqala ama-game ayingakho uReyners. Asibeni fair mntu, asibeni fair singayi ngokufake. Uqala ama-game ayingakhi.
Okay, mamela asiyenze so. Why magano evidence Makgopa ano Lyle Foster still angaqali if he's better than them both? Why angaqali?
Abamthandi khona iplayer bangalifave. Ongitshela so khona umuntu odeserve ukuba Bafana bathe babasile.
It's ngukutshele something. Sonke besikhala isizini mayiqale sesikhathi isizwe ku-AFCON ngale khehla leli lidlalela isikhukhune kambobani lo we-strike lokho ramagoli amaningi man. Yeah, Bradley Grob. Besikhala ngithi ukuthi why isn't Grob in the squad? Grob uyakora what. How many goals has he scored so far? uIkram Reyners ubuya ku-injury sekanamagoli amaningi ukuhlula yena uBradley Grob. It explains lento engisho ukuthi unfortunately South Africa asinayi-strike ezikorayo. eSouth Africa our football doesn't depend on strikers from ukudala na-96.
Uyazi why i-strikers
because of i-strike.
Uyazi why i-strikers zethu singakori akusiyi problem eyi-strike ama-supplier nane-system abayidlalayo because ubheka i-Pirates if ine-striker sangempela i-striker sa-Orlando Pirates ngabe yisi top goal scorer this season manje labantu ba-create ama-opportunities than wonke ama-teams wakubhethwe Premiership. So singabheki indawo eyi-1 kuphela. If Everence Makgopa bake good striker ama-opportunities awatholile angakanani.
Patrick Libeko angazi isinto awusizwa or ufuna sikhuluma i-English ngoba sikaze sa-compare striker ne-attacker la angiyazi le uyithathayo ukuthi ma udidekile udideke ngokwakho. Sikhuluma nge-striker le uyikhuluma manje iza ngawe mfowethu angiyazizanga la ukuthi sizojabulisa wena comparing attacking midfielder with the striker. Sike sa compare mapa ama-attacking midfielder ne-striker because bonke labantu esiba-compare manje i-striker. Reyners i-striker, Bradley Grob i-striker, Makgopa i-striker, uJurie i-striker.
And I think i-strike yabona mawudlaleli u-Orlando Pirates kumele ushaye 20 goals. I mean ama-chance abawa-create amdungu cela uyivume leyo umbutho uthola ama-chance ayingakhi ku-Pirates.
So it means ukuthi the issues within the strikers because uyayithola i-supply.
Yibo ngiyasho ukuthi i-strikers zethu no-Evidence Makgopa naye bekawathola ama-opportunity uyawathola.
That's why ngivuma ngithi one thing about Evidence Makgopa Shem akakwazi ukukora but he has an impact.
Bheka ke nayi impact yakhe into wrong ngo-Evidence Makgopa for me. Evidence Makgopa umngane wakho nginokusebenza naye ndaba futhi naye but u-Evidence Makgopa khona umuntu ohleza defend u-Evidence Makgopa engimazi enclose naye. u-Evidence Makgopa ku-Pirates they don't need ukudefenda but dominate all the games. Udefender uzoba i-defensive striker kanjani Evidence Makgopa Orlando Pirates dominate i-position njalo but utholakala ebhoxini yabo
mela siza usibisi
udingeka elapha ebhoxini ukuthi ushaye amalo mfethu ushaye amagoli. Orlando Pirates zokunika ama-chances ayi-6 egame ngeke uhlule uRilemfuke ngimela ulanda ibhola center aqeda abantu akunike Evidence Makgopa. Angifuni nokukhuluma ngayo and it's sad ukuthi kubafana sinama players afana no-Evidence Makgopa namhlanje sidebate ngawo bekungamelanga sidebate nalo muntu lo akakwazi ukukora but akusiwuye kuphela vele ngiyavumelana mawuthi kubhethwe Premiership asinazi i-strike but udlalela Orlando Pirates kumele ukwazi mfethu kwavalela ama-opportunities. i-Sundowns isibulele for the past 5-6 years. Peter Shalulile uyi-master class kumele bafunde kuye ukukora mfethu mawuthola ama-opportunities korani.
So the issue Hugo Bruce unfortunately is forced ukuthi ayolanda Lyle Foster because mega bheka yazi strike esilingana no nalomfolo uReynolds manje uDion lo weGolden Arrows bana 10-10 boba u2 uPeter Shalulile all time goal scorer ePSL is not South African. uLeon lo iMamelodi Sundowns imsayinile is not South African. iMamelodi Sundowns yona self yakubonisa ukuthi asina istriker that's why baxolele ukuyokhipha 20 million 50 million basayina istriker phesheya bazilethela. So uHugo Bruce has nothing like ayikho enye choice anayo ukuthi mele abize uLyle after bheka uLyle Foster uzama ukubona ukuthi other than uLyle Foster ubani that can offer me something more different. Evidence Makhupa, he's a ball playing striker and lento le alone makes him special. Lento le alone makes him stand out. Lento yokuthi he's a ball playing
ayikho special ngoMakhopa
ayikho to be honest bekumele bapetshile nangaye naye bekumele bampetshe bathi Mbuthuma and uMbuthuma makes better runs than uMakhupa. uMbuthuma shame unfortunately ukuthi mhlambe emele bamhlabela imbuzi noma something angazi ukuthi yena akakori noma emele bamhlabela inkomo ehlanyayo angazi but uMbuthuma uyawathola ama chance and he's always in that final third and uyashoot.
Yazi mangibheka i-strikers nazo yabona i-striking king like i-striker i-problem inkinga ukuthi sine striker ubona ukuthi siyawathola ama opportunities ascore but isi strike soba kubafana bafana but isixolise evidence Makhopa mfethu but thatha ama chances wakhe. Orlando Pirates ngabe hleli number 1 ngaba kuna competition wena noMbuthuma if benithatha ama chance manje si stuck ngo evidence Makhopa ukuthi uzoya ku World Cup ngoba bathi is the best thing in South Africa but ama stats wakhe awasho kanjalo as a striker but
we are not saying he's the best thing in South Africa.
Kusho I'm quoting him.
Akakho right lo ungamameli loya ukhanda lemtshelo kwakhe loya udidekile lo ababa loya ayikho into akayenza ayikho into akayaziyo thina yithe kumele sikhuluma ama facts ngoba lama player lawa yithe swabhekayo. Evidence Makhupa no Ikram Reynolds yibo bekumele baya ku World Cup not Lyle Foster bekumele kuya laba boba u2 and I'll tell you why. uReynolds uyaqala ukushayela ama goal Makhupa comes on as a sub and gives you like ukuphi impact uthi ma gents azidlaleni there's no need manje ukuthi siloku shooter all the time azidlaleni Mfukeng plus badlala bo2 mfethu ama 1-2 wakhe noMfukeng azosebenzela lapha and you've seen what they've done against the likes of iMamelodi Sundowns badlala boba u2. So the only striker bekumele ukuthi samthethisa siyamthuka uLyle Foster udlala le England one of the biggest leagues in Mara he hasn't scored more than 3 goals kule season. Ufuna ukumthatha at least uMakhupa in big games he shows up. He showed up ngeCameroon. He showed up against the Chiefs. Each time iPirates imdinga ukuthi Makhupa phakamisa uyafana noTito. Big moment players. When mfana makusikhathi sokuqhakaza laba bayakwazi ukuqhakaza. We can't say the same ngabo Lyle Foster. uLyle Foster mfethu makumele ukuthi aqhakaza ulwa nabo linesmen. Makumele ukuthi azibonakalise sibona ama love bite la sibona izinto la makumele ukuthi azibonakalise. Ayikho indaba kaLyle Foster kubafana. Lyle Foster shouldn't play for ngisho iBurnley. Angazuba no scoutayo le. Yabona ke manje mawufuna iagent eyiscam so yazi ukuthi iagent kabane eyiscam. Lyle Foster is not mfana bekungamela udlala kwa ibhola lo
Burnley na Orlando Pirates bekangasi hit mabamsana. I remember when he was introduced me na 17 azange abe ne impact Orlando Pirates but ke kusho ukuthi abantu bam represent abahlakanipheke kakhulu bakwazile ukumbeka kuma better positions but ku striking department bafethu kuyabhethe South Africa not just ku striking department even bheka I defense yethu umbokazi kuphela I superstar defender ku South African football kuphela sikhuluma la like ngomuntu one impact simazi ukuthi u strong nasemuva ucabangani ngama defenders because mangibheka mina wonke ama defender mangiwabheka ngiyasho ukuthi kunenkinga eserious ngama defense if so selectana nabo Nkosinathi Sibisi.
Yabona le yona ngifuna ukuyikha from iPSL ne because ubonile move there isn't a lot of international players. So la bePSL umbokazi is PSL product ePSL so na ngimbala nalaba bePSL. Ngifuna ukuyikha from la iqala khona. Set piece defense kuPSL iyabheda for wonke ama team. neMamelodi Sundowns ayikwazi ukudefend ama set piece. It shows you ukuthi asinama defender ne height number 1. Number 2 ama defender wethu bamosha ama analyst benza lento ye space marking iyabahlula man to man marking. oPrimutiba akakwazi ukumarka man to man. He's good as a space marker and then he's good on the ball. You understand? Usamkelo that's why usamkelo kabini that's why umbokazi ubemthethisa athi qina man iyamhlula man to man marking. Ama Nigerian afike bambisa ama Nigerian badli kwasa baba yayazi kwasa abo Nigerian badli egusi soup yayazi egusi soup abadli slice ase Alex se 15 rand labantu laba uyothatha wena umuntu odli slice e 15 rand le Alex ucanga ukuthi uzoya 50-50 ne Nigerian. No, you play against European uzodlala iWorld Cup udlala nama South Americans mfana who are good on and off the ball. Uyodlala nama Europeans who are good on and off the ball. So emuva ngivumelana nawe sinama player u2 engwathembayo umudawu because uNtswembu nangomentu ayabona uselwe eshani ethekile nombokazi So unfortunately it means iPSL yourself it starts from development. Asikwazi ukudevelop istriker, asikwazi ukudevelop ama defender. We are more focused la. Bheka igcine nini defender ukuwin iplay of the season. What does that say to you? Gcine nini strike ukuwin iplay of the season. What does that say to you? When was the other than Umbokazi eliphelinga idefender like la sign wa phesheya? Na phesheya nabeza bagijimisa la isiswini bagijimisa emaceleni because ila sinveste khona kakhulu.
Kunzima kakhulu kunzima nokuthi siba defender bafethu yabona njengoba sikhuluma ngala ama point lawo ongibonisa wona amanye siyabona ukuthi kunzima ukuthi sidefend ama player wethu ayikho department esingathi okay le department lay strong department esingakholelwa kuyo yabo mawubheka idefense kunama loophole uyabona ukuthi la soba nenkinga ukudefenda sinombokazi esimthembayo kuphela and then sinokhulisa umundawo i-left back yethu asithembi i-right back yethu i-backup if kungenzakala something ngomunye even i-goalkeeping department uyabona man ukuthi iyaxega lapho nalapho ungena uyeswini unabantu abafana nabo Yaya Sithole abaselective kodwa uyabona nawo I mean shota like selection baletha umuntu obeka ngekho na kuma qualifiers okay waba khona uHugo Bros sengibonile uyiscam uHugo Bros ufuna ukudlala ngama player 1 uletha ubani lo mfana lo dlala eMinnesota ngeke uhlongwane out of the blue ubuyile ku squad
kule league bethu Hugo Bros
kule league le yathi ama players wakhona ngeke ngiwaselect inini sebuyele khona wayo selector khona ucoach now Hugo Bros bafethu ngoba inhlanhla sometimes khona umuntu obe ne career 10 years but ngenhlanhla nje kuphela ucoach
eyaka Hugo Bros angithi sekamdala isiphelile inhlanhla yakhe manje seyidlulele kwingane zakhe mhlambe but inhlanhla yakhe seyiphelile and iAfcon imexposeile ukuthi inhlanhla seyiphelile uHugo Bros une favoritism and the favoritism yakhe yanginyanyisa and futhi yangicasula because uHugo Bros never akaze lokho awucoach webafana wabiza ama player based on form and merit ubabiza based on mhlambe kunomuntu ohlala phansi amtshela ukuthi awukubheka iSundowns wabona leya team kaRulani ukuthi buye win iAFL babuye kuyodlala iCAF Champions League baqualifyele iFIFA Club World Cup wathi thing bathathe ngidlale ngabo wabona le Pirates ukuthi bafike kuma semi final sekuno coach omusha kwenzeka lokho nalokho wabathatha wabafaka lapha but we all know ama favorite players waka Hugo Bros uNico Mobi unfortunately uzawazibonela ngokakhe ukuthi hayi cha lo mjita lo uyavuza favorite player yakhe uPercy Tau uze wazibonela ngokwakhe ukuthi hayi cha ayikho indaba kalomjita favorite player yakhe uTeboho Mokoena yes siyavuma uTeboho Mokoena umnandi mara uTeboho Mokoena ngadlala kubafana bangaze bamenza injury namhlanje kusasangena adlala
I think mawukhuluma ngoPercy Tau ngikhumbuza something because uPercy Tau be I think almost 2 years anga perform but njalo kubafana bekakhona baze bamdrop baze bamdropa la sekangasena team khona but bebaloke bamselecta but bese expect ukuthi uPercy Tau was 2023 he was supposed to carry bafana but ama performances wakhe bowubona na ukuthi azifele bese kadlala ngoba bayamthanda uPercy Tau no Hugo Bros mase kabona imjasi kadlala eVietnam nama China hayi ngeke ayikho indaba yakhe
nango Ronwen Williams. The problem is that as South Africans asifuna ukuba neqiniso and ama South African iqiniso bayalisaba balithanda uRonwen Williams akadlala izona kule season le it's just so fortunate that une defense solid uRonwen Williams mara akadlala izona kule season
unama mistake amaningi
yes if uthi wena no ngifuna ukuzama ama player amasha against iPanama wawungashiya uRonwen Williams wakhetha wawungashiya uGoss because uGoss hardly plays angithi so yayazi vibe yakhe ukuthi ophathela ama player amanzi usula ama cocks wabo usula ama bench ukuthi abantu nabahlala itulo zingangcoli mebaphuma uyobapha ama beep nazonke lezo zinto bekumele ukuthi ashiye uGoss why if uthi wena against iPanama ufuna ukuyotesta ama player amasha thatha uNdlovu uShimkweni angithi yo test you don't need Teboho Mokoena lapha uTeboho Mokoena mabangamphula lapha sisenkingeni because asinalingi midfield efana naye you understand kuleyana yilabe kumele ukuthi uthathe into anezincane laba bangakaze baba ne chance ukuthi hayi ithing bazama oTylon Smith mfethu ubashilo ubabizile sinene no Campbell ubabizile manje labafana sekabalahlelele ubalaxazila isekho indaba yabo according to Hugo Bros uzosibizela abantu esingabazi ohlongwane obani osibizela ama play Okon yini owakuphi yena lo
Okon ose Eastern Cape basho kanjalo but ngifuna simuvele ku game ekule game esoyidlala back to back nePanama iPanama abantu abaningi mebakhuluma ngayo bathi hayi i-team ezoprepare bazo make sure ukuthi ba prepare kahle ama matches wo2 bazomisela back to back but iPanama yikho into esiyaziyo because ku global stage asiyazi kakhulu but ama teams amaningi khona ama team esingawazi avele avuka ngebafana because ibafana nayi unpredictable cishe ifana neKaizer Chiefs you don't know ukuthi kuzokwenzakalani ngempela ngebafana sike sa draw ne Celsius noma yini sinokushawa eLesotho sinokushawa i-team ongayazi ukuthi ivela kuphi
so manje negama layo ivele ifika ishaya ibafana le team
khona le team esikezadla iSouth Toma noma yini bengiqala ukuyibona le uzibuza ukuthi mato ile team esifele ibafana ifika ishaya 6 khona kodwa Yes, isithathe isibeka phi igame against iPanama. Yes, kuma rankings they are better than us because abase Central America if I'm not mistaken. So isithathe isibeka phi la game layer. Bazokwazi ibafana bafana izosibonisa maybe direction ukuthi World Cup imaphi ngale match layer. Is it a good match for yona ibafana bafana ukuthi be ready against Mexico because iPanama ijwayele ukudlala neMexico. Is it a good test na for your opening game namanye ama game esiwadlala especially World Cup?
I think useless for mina le game for iBafana Bafana. Ayina useless. iPanama iBafana Bafana la isuka khona. iPanama iBafana Bafana la isuka khona. So mina ngifila ngathi sidlala nje against abantu abasifanele abantu abasilingene and uHugo Broos doesn't want to play against ama country amakhulu because he has a legacy that he's trying to preserve. Une record azama ukuyigcina ngithi akhumbula before iAfcon bekuthiwe seka winner ngazi 20 what games in a row. Bafana Bafana hasn't lost. Yafika iCameroon neEgypt ayichitha konke lokho. So manje kwamele ukuthi agcine ama players akwi high spirit nama support aloke bathi Hugo Broos. That's why he's going for ama countries amancane. But you look at the fact that we didn't play well kuAfcon. Asidlalanga kahle asenzanga zona. Akuna country engafisa ukuchitha isikhathi preparing eBafana Bafana. iBrazil is too much for eBafana Bafana. France is too much. Argentina is too much. Like uVinicius Junior you prepare na makwa umkosinathi sibisi. uVinicius Junior you prepare you understand? Mawuthi uyabheka Rodrigo bo prepare ba makwa uyaya. Because now uzobona kahle ukuthi ayibo bafethu kube simane sadlala neSantos leBrazil. Mekuthi uNeymar uyabuyela uRonwen Williams une history. Nabo Neymar une history bamsha 5 labantu laba uyabazi labantu laba ukuthi bamenza yiba abantu angafuni ukudlala nabo Hugo Broos because bamsha 5 nini
na into ekumele sibheke isafa in terms of kuyirana bafethu iphuwa labantu abarun isafa number 1 abayirun ngendlela right because I was listening to Pitso Msimana khuluma lento le ukuthi kusafa it's about ama record ukuthi udlala neLesotho udlala nani bafuna ukulawo ama record lawo khona bekathi ufuna ukuzitest against ama nations are strong then isafa because of lawo ama losses lawo ngeke umjudge umuntu ngeloss against France to be fair leyo itest ukuthi ama player be ready for i-tournament abazi ukuthi yes bekumele udliwe but uyazitest ukuthi man ngeWorld Cup ngizohlangana nestandards esicishe esifane nalezi so I think is prepare ngala so isafa preparation yabo bakhuluma ngokuthi ba broke abana 80 million or 84 million or 100 million ukhosta lama games lawo but kusho ukuthi bona
mara kunemali abayidlayo banemali abayidlayo
kune 10 million enyamalele ngeke ngisho ukuthi ubani
yabo mara bazokutshela ukuthi abana mali yokuletha abo Brazil
bana sponsor kune Nedbank kune Standard Bank manje sifikile
futhi manje bafunani kanti futhi
kune ma sponsor I think I don't know mina over 10 but yeah is game yabafana I think iBafana Bafana unpredictable mangibheka uFoster ngeke ashayela amagoli Hugo Broos angathi noma bephupha athi uFoster every game ayidlala uyakora so mawubheka iBafana Bafana ngazi ukuthi amagoli azovela kuphi urile Mfukeng when it matters the most I mean is our brightest young star but kuma game la kune pressure khona unokucindezeleka urile Mfukeng ama game amakhulu
even ku PSL
cabanga
in big games makumele ukuthi umbone akabonakali la iPirates imdinga khona kakhulu une tendency yokucasha and into engiqaphele ne it's because une quality around yena so abantu abaningi abayiboni lento le ukuthi yambona apolice in big games yabonakala bheka wenzeni ngeDabi mfethu first Dabi washaya igoal Umremi as much as he's not fully developed Umremi uyaleka Umremi akakwazi ukupusha ibhola bafethu nokumbona unokupusha but Umremi naye ngama game amakhulu yakwazi ukuphakamisa isandla athi ngila no that's why ngithi no evidence Mahope uyakwazi ukuphakamisa isandla athi ngila but umfukeng une tendency yokucasha and ucasha ngoTito mawiqaphela yabona uTito mina is my least favorite player ku PSL mina for mina imfanele nePirates ngizoringa ivaru kuleko mabra yabona mina ngizoba nevaru mina imfanele iPirates lo yangithola mara one thing engithanda ngoTito akanandaba ukuthi nina nicabangana uTito meka phethe ibhola wenza lento yena ifunayo wenza lento yena ibelieve ukuthi right and yamsebenzela mfethu yamsebenzela lo mjita so much ukuthi uthola shaya igoal uzuzibuzisa ukuthi le out ile mara mfethu ilibelisha amatsama igibele ibhola kodwa uyawaqeda ama player bese uyakora so you need ama player confident njengalawo yabona and it's big games that build the confidence ye player uTebogo Mokoena for mina is a world class midfield uyaqualify mfana singamranka nama midfielder amakhulu but emhlabeni abamazi because udlala nabo Lesotho udlala nabo Zimbabwe udlala nabo Magesi FC you understand udlala nabo Rwanda but if cabanga umkwena mfana against Brazil uzoyenzana umkwena against France umkwena against these big teams
khona umuntu engimkhumbula uZungu naye beka world class even le game abasha 5-0 wangena but wakwazi ukustabilize igame lapha na ku midfielders aba strong urile Mfukeng lo World Cup lo uzoba tested kula kumele abonise umhlaba ukuthi uya deserve ukuya la abathi kumele aye khona because abafuni ukuthi aye phesha nje kuphela bathi akaye kuma top 5 big leagues so Siyabona ke manje medlala nama team qualifyile for World Cup. Sobona make thola i-chance against Mexico namanye ama game uthi uzoperforma kanjani uRile Mofokeng, but yeah i test enkulu ukuthi lento lesithi uyiyo uRile Mofokeng uyiyo na. But Eshiya ibafana bafethu akusithi mengingabheja ngayo mina ngiyithembe ngithi izokwazi ukuwina ama games. If starting 11 ucabanga ukuthi izohamba kanjani ngoba ifinder lapha na ku Hugh Bros. Bekaqala ngobani ngonkothe bekaqala ngonkothe wavela omdrop out of the blue wamdrop unkothe bekaqala ngosipho Mbuli besazi ukuthi number 10 yethu sokusipho Mbuli akasekho nokuba khona so abantu bavele bayanyamalala lapha na kubafana uSipho Chain angazi for how many years ekhona kubafana bavele bayamdrop bengicabanga ukuthi ulimele sambone game ne Orlando Pirates so if starting 11 nebafana ucabanga ukuthi ingahamba kanjani wena kule game la against Panama
yazi kuzo zonke lezi zinto oqeda ukuzisho before ngiyaphambili Hugo Broos is a very unfair coach and aka understand lento ayenza ukuthi benzana nama player aka understand ukuthi lento ayenza ibenzana abadlali abanye uyabona manje uPesita usesikhohlwe nokukhohlwa ngapho you understand uhlongwane bese sikhohlwe ngaye bese singasayibheki MLS because Hugo Broos athi league a useless until uMbokazi wafika lapha washayina he never came back and apologized ukuthi ayichaba futhi no uMbokazi usaqhakaza nala ekhona yabo so kunama player amaningi Hugo Broos akawadelelile kunama player amaningi akawaphathe kabi kunama player amaningi uHugo Broos mfana akawathukile namhlanje lawo ma player lawo abasadlali kamnandi and lezi zinto lezi akayishilo kuma players yahlala yena uaddress wabani yena uthukwa wabani because thina mesikhuluma la ku social media sithi Hugo Broos usijwayela kabi bathi siyamtelela but lesikhathi ethuka uMbokazi akunamuntu okhulumile abantu bebathulile bathi right Hugo Broos mina nyaphinda usijwayela kabi lo mjita lo and then masikhuluma nge-starting 11 obvious angithi siyamazi ukuthi unama player awathandayo I mean siqale ngoRonwen Williams in goals right back uzofaka uKhriso Mudawo right center back uzofaka uNkosinathi Sibisa angithi ukwazi ukudlala nebhandishi and then uzofaka uMbokazi and then obvious Aubrey Mudiba la isiswini kuzoba uyaya kube uNansika kube lokho nje uMkwena and then right wing ayila ke ngizoqala uxakeka khona but into engiyaziyo ukuthi on the left uzoza ngoApolis phambi kwaMkwena noyayo uzofaka uZwane and then ku right wing ila ngidideke khona angafuna uqala ngoMfukeng angafuna uqala ngoMuremi akazi naye lapha ukuthi enze njani and then phambili obvious uzoqala ngoMr Bentley Lyle Foster
ngiyasibona i-starting line but yabona i-starting lineup vele lese ngisibona nami ukuthi maybe angadlala ngaso but ngicabanga ukuthi ngoba ama game awu 2 back kumele aqalise laba this game next game azama abanye angithi usazama ukubheka ukuthi angadlalisa obani kanjani but yeah I think uRile Mofokeng khona igame akumele ayiqale angazi ukuthi I don't know ukuthi uHugo Broos uyakholela kuRile Mofokeng ngokweqiniso because ama game amaningi bafana akawaqala uRile Mofokeng so and leyo nto leyo imenza ukuthi angabi nalo confidence leyo kubafana yeah yamkhawathi anyway because internationally kuba aggressive ukudlala namanye ama international team akajwayelanga ku against iLesotho wayiqala igame ngiyakhumbula acabanga umqalisa against iLesotho but kwamanye ama game umfuna la uRile Mofokeng sobona khona ukhonati sekushubile uzofuna ukurescue team so yeah Hugo Broos unazo into zakhe but akule game lakhe ziPanama I don't think bafana izoyishaya iPanama if mina ngizopredict abafowethu but bazokwazi ukuyithola ukuyibona ukuthi idlala kanjani especially second game so ubona ukuthi bazodlala kanjani angibathembi mina
Mofokeng versus Zwane qala abantu bench abantu
Themba Zwane ngengimqalisa igame I think would be unfair ukuthi ngiqalisa uThemba Zwane ubuya kuma injuries ngiyamselect manje ngiyamqalisa but I think second half khona into angayinika ibafana yabo so ngingaqalisa uRile Mofokeng ngoba uyodlala currently udlala kahle kakhulu kunabo bonke abantu lapha na ku PSL so uya deserve ukuthi ayiqale le game le uRile Mofokeng ngiyamqalisa as number 10
mina to be honest ukutshela iqiniso I think uThemba Zwane iyakhe nebafana iphelile and ngiyazi abantu abaningi bazothi hayi ukhuluma umphetho uyazi into ekhulumayo yaphela mhlazana uHugo Broos amshiya kuAfcon I don't think he has the confidence now to play for ibafana because nakuma Mamelodi Sundowns is coming on as a sub ngiyangithola and you look at the way uThemba Zwane ngakhona igame time akayithola ku Sundowns iyafana negame time uMbulu akayithola ku Pirates uMbulu ungena as ama substitute sometimes akadlali uThemba Zwane naye ungena as substitute sometimes akadlali mina ngiqala ukuyibona eSouth Africa captain ebench wayo like umuntu abe captain ahlala ebenchini then azoba i-captain second half ngiqala ukuyibona la ekhaya no Sibisi ngenkathi kunoMbokazi ubehlala ebenchini captain mfethu engene second half iyenzakala la eSouth Africa kuphela if sibona ngathi kunodlala nawe kangcono uthatha ibhandi uphena abe i-captain clara because cabanga i-captain ehlala ebenchini bese mase ingena futhi sekumele abe i-leader coming off the bench and uThemba Zwane is not the kind of player okuphi impact coming off the bench umjito one impact makaqala igame because angithi umnandi uthena ngama player wenza yonke into uyakwazi uku-intimidate opposition beka wayenzani Morocco mfethu lapha kaFcon but unfortunately because of Hugo Broos and angiblame uZwane I blame Hugo Broos indaba kaThemba Zwane nebafana for mina iphelile because of Hugo Broos Relebohile Mofokeng right now kumele aphakamise
but awucabanga ukuthi uThembazwane bamselecta ngoba iexperience yakhe. I mean Thembazwane kwabulala iNigeria, kwabulala ama teams at different amakhulu, and international uyakwazi ukuhandle ipressure. Orile Mfukeng asikho sure ukuthi uzokwazi ukuyihandle ipressure ku World Cup. Urile Mfukeng angabhayiza iWorld Cup yonke, so
but he's surrounded by leaders and experience already.
Uyayasithola khona uyayasithola phela kuzodlala uyayasithola.
Lalela ngikutshela ne, he's surrounded by experience already. Tebukhomo ukwenu ukhona, uRonza ukhona, uKhulisa Muda ukhona, uMudiba ukhona. Lapha yabona lezi engizibalile zeSundowns ziyamthanda uMfukeng. Uyakhumbula ngenkathi kusamele adlale bebaze bakhiphela ibhola ngaphandle ukuthi uMfukeng angene. So laba mina for me it's enough laba ukuthi bamboost. Then he has a teammate yakhe Ozuna Police, unenye teammate yakhe Evidence Makgopa, Tsepang Muremi. It's like usurround a positivity uMfukeng. The only thing that needs to happen, ucoach okumela believe kuye manje, because ama player bayidlala indima yabo kodwa untwana umnandi. Ucoach uye manje esekumele ukuthi akholelwe kuMfukeng. Ucoach uye manje esekumele ukuthi athi Mfukeng ngithemba wena, you are my main number 10. Nasi skipper which is number 10 yenza kuphela ntwana yami. What you do ku Orlando Pirates iyenze times 10. And yabona lento angayisho, wakhumbula kunalakhe yakhuluma kahle ngombokazi, bembuza ngombokazi athi yes to go to Europe. Iye into ya motivate umbokazi more lapha yakuba bafana. Say the same thing ngomfukeng ukuthi Mfukeng ntwana nami wena ku World Cup awubuyeli ku Pirates into emele uyazi. It's up to you. You understand? But omunye instead umuntu ozoshina and not come back ku Pirates wozuna Police, because leya ke leya is star.
I don't think Orile Mfukeng, I don't think uzoya overseas even after World Cup. For me I don't think uzoya overseas because bazom overprice ku Pirates, and akekho umuntu ozothenga umuntu ongakabi tested abroad ngale mali le Orlando Pirates eyifunayo. But if uzoshina ku Orlando Pirates izokwazi ukuyimatcha imali le abayifunayo, yabo, because ayikho team overseas izokhipha lesi maybe boma 80 million for umuntu ongakaza ashine international sambona ashine straight. Khona player wabona, I mean umbokazi overseas namhlanje bakhiphe 53 million rands. Why? Because even ama Nigerians ayamazi abhalile ngabamazi icontinent yonke bathi yilo yamfana lo
bambiza Bombolo Kasi.
Yebo, so but akanawo lo moment uRile Mfukeng, abamazi uRile Mfukeng eNigeria bayamazi umbokazi bayamazi, even nalabantu laba balandela ibhola serious bayamazi. I mean uMuremi is more famous eCameroon than uRile Mfukeng uqeda ukufikela manje. So uyabona ukuthi uRile Mfukeng mabayibheka iprofile yakhe, but ku World Cup ichance yakhe uRile Mfukeng. Mina ngiyabelieve ku uRile Mfukeng just yena mela kwazi ukuthatha iresponsibility. But yeah, so bona ngazi ukuthi ufuna ukubheka ama comment ukuthi abantu bathini lapha online before singena ku Betway Premiership sivali Orlando Pirates iwine 6, so ngena kulezo, but naba abantu ithi sibazi ukuthi bathini.
Ulindelani Man City athi Makgopa must start.
Yeah.
And then uPonatso Humphrey Muketedi ati we Pirates all the way. Kushujena phela unalento ukuthi Pirates nje Melika lapha. And then uSpesihle Mkhonto ati Pirates likes defensive strikers, to be honest. Even Phumuzo Manenze scored 7 goals in his entire career. That's why they let go of Mabasa, because he scores. And then Akumile Anomusa KP Buzwayo ati, but the fact is Makgopa is not a good enough striker. Yes, he has an impact in both Pirates and Bafana. Reynas is far better than Makgopa. That one shouldn't even be a debate because numbers don't lie. A striker scores goals. That's his primary job. Mvumelana nawe mfowethu. And then Umudiba Johannes at, you are lying about 10 goals. Junior De Jong has 12 and Reynas has 10. Engingakwazi mina lokho. Aphinde futhi
comment 12 goals.
No, angithi best mina bengithe uDion no Reynas bana 10 bayalingana.
Yeah. Maybe ubala all competitions.
Yeah, mhlawumbe ubala all.
Because sina school
eligini bana 10 bafethu.
I think all competitions. But Reynas is 10 all competitions.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And then aphinda comment futhi yena uMudiba Johannes, I disagree with you on Mbutuma. He has fantastic stats at Pirates. Instead, you didn't know Mbutuma is a super sub. Ngiyavuma. Lesikhathi ekuthanda ukumfaka ezisapho oward ubekora. And then uSandile Sendi athi, but Makgopa always shows up in Bafana. Ubani lo iraketsi Nkosi lo oqoki keeper blue uya supporter. Angiboni ukuthi khona umuntu ongaboni ukuthi asikho istriker esinga qhathanisa no Reynas la eMzansi. And then Umudi bangene futhi athi, but Sibeko now inkuli, Hugo Bruce has favoritism and this will work against him during the World Cup. Angene futhi Umudiba athi Wansegisa Wansegisa yena Hugo Bruce against Cameroon. Mina, what irritates me about Hugo Bruce, Nkuli and Mdu, is that he makes drastic decisions, and when he fails, he comes and mentions that players must go play abroad. Whereas at the start of the selection, he never mentioned that. Hey, Tanda Galento le. Abuye sekata ukuthi ama players South Africa badlala pheshe.
And bekanga complain Sundowns that time ba finish third. Azanga complain ngama player adlala locally ngoba akwazile ukumtholela ama results.
Beseka invested kakhulu kwi PSL. Aphinda abuye futhi ke yena uModiba athi I agree with you on Ronwen Williams. Gos was boosted by the Pirates versus Siwelele fixture. Ngicele invite lapho bafethu. You are raising good points. Hayi, mawufuna ukuza mfethu nayi agent ethu. Uzokhuluma ne-agent ethu lapha uyezokenzela izinto ezi-right. Aphinda ngene futhi athi but Panama is ranked 30th Mdu and we are 60th. You are right nge-Brazil and France about being big. Remember Williams made a blunder for Sundowns during Club World Cup. Bamtesta ku Club World Cup kakhulukazi kule game eDortmund.
Mfethu unama blunder amaningi uWilliams nakubhethwe Premiership.
And then Usendi at Mufukeng will go to World Cup. Please be positive on that young boy.
Umfukeng uyaya ku World Cup akekho umuntu ongazi sonke sifuna ukuthi Umfukeng aye ku World Cup afika aziprove ku global stage. Imagine urile Umfukeng ashaya first goal angithi le goal elibelifuna uNkotha uzolithola lapha uNkotha sekaze washo ukuthi ufuna ukushaya first goal
Hugo Bruce and then eyokugcina ephuma eswamaningi kakhulu ephuma kuModiba Johannes uspread ikutela starting 11 sakhe Williams Modiba Sibisi Mbokazi Sithole Mkwena Mfukeng Zwane Hlongwane Foster abili nyala ngale akahlongana angeka bench police impossible
uhlongwane ngeke nayi into khona comment la ngiyibonile bathi evidence Makgopa milaqala ucabanga ukuthi evidence Makgopa meqala igame yakunika lo impact cause une energy ya second half evidence Makgopa naye yabona second half anithole ngabo ma 70 nizoyifila ngizomfila ukuthi ukhona so uyamfila na igame yonke evidence Makgopa meqala igame ngoba mina impact yakhe isikhathi esiningi wambeka ezisapho ngiyambona ke energy yakhe ngiyayifila ngoba banokumreplace nokumreplace amabamqalisa ama game isikhathi esiningi akayo finish ama game second half le 20 minutes evidence Makgopa uzokunika everything bake bamfaka that time uModiba amfakela ama cross yakhumbula second half energy ayibona immediate sonke besithi why bangamfakanga evidence Makgopa because ukunika le nto le even nase boxing
melangena abantu sebakhathele
ngoba une energy like akakhathali
abantu sebakhathele and aplaza ngithi yambona so yilo mjita lo noma like unpredictable man uyambona ukuthi ufuna ukwenzana Makgopa yabo so right mekangena as a sub that's why mina ngithi for mina ngiqala uReyners then Makgopa comes on second and uReyners ngimdlalisa 90 minutes second half ngidlala nge-double striker ngibulala unumber 10 ngishaya double striker because let's say uqale ngoThemba Zwane and then second uqale ngoThemba Zwane as the main number 10 second half uyamdonsa uZwane ufaka yena Makgopa to pusher shine double number 9 and then Umfukeng because umupha nje free roll man Umfukeng sometimes uyakwazi ukugijima le momfaka umuphi free roll uthi wena ngena about ito wethu
before ucabanga ukuthi siye ku Pirates ne Chiefs noma ngibona isikhathi
hayi asiyekelele le viki elizayo kodwa nonke nina benithi Pirates ithengile le game le against Isiwelele nikhuluma uThuvu ayikho lento nikhuluma Isiwelele sishayiwe fair and square Orlando Pirates balandile aba dominator so ngitshela ukuthi lama goal ay3 kaMfukeng awakorile bacelile bathi sicela uMfukeng akora ama goal ay3 ekanomona ama supporter we Kaizer Chiefs
so nibona next week bafethu ngicela ningakhohlwa ukubukela if ubona iclip ubukele ku YouTube ni subscribe ni commenteni na ku YouTube uzurile Mfukeng sonke siyamfavor umjita sobona ukuthi uzophelelaphi superstar la ku South African football lo uNkuli madoda siyabonga ukubukela
danko